Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at some new budget earbuds. Now these are really good. If you do want to grab a pair of these, they are $59.99, but at the moment on Amazon there's a 15% voucher, plus there's code down there valid till the 31st of March that you can use only for my subscribers. That'll give you a further £10 off. So £19 off these, that'll be £40.99, and that is a bargain. Really, really good earbuds for the budget market. Right, let's talk about the specs. Now, they are small, they are light, very light case. They are a bit of a fingerprint magnet, this case is, but I like the matte black. It's a nice effect, it's a nice feel to it. Very small and light. Probably smaller than the normal AirPods, but maybe a little bit thicker, but the case is still very small. Charges by USB-C, gives you a runtime of 7 hours or 5 hours with the active noise cancelling that this has. So we'll talk about that in just a little bit. Very nice. They feel very comfortable in the ears. When you put them into your ears, they connect straight away. No problems with that as well. Each earbud is 0.17 of an ounce. So in your ear, they just feel very light. You can barely feel they're in there. Very comfortable. They do come in the box with separate ear tips, so it fits all different sizes. They're in the box as well, and it comes in the box with the charging cable as well, USB-A to USB-C, so all the stuff is in there. So like I said, the weight of these very light, less than an ounce these weigh. They are IPX5, which is going to be good for going to the gym or working outside, running in the rain. They are going to be waterproof and dustproof, so that is another good feature as well. This is the audio from the built-in microphones from the SoundPeats Mini Pro. What does it sound like? Is it going to be an adequate audio experience for somebody you're making a phone call to, or what does it sound like? You let me know in the comments down below if it sounds half decent. I'm hoping they do, because these earbuds for the price are fantastic quality when it comes to listening to music, so hopefully they will work for phone calls and be sort of usable. So I'm hoping they will. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. So you be the judge of what the microphone sounds like for calls. They obviously connect via Bluetooth. It is Bluetooth version 5.2, so it's one of the latest versions. Works with both Android and iOS. It works on my iPhone 13 Pro perfectly paired straight away, no problems, and I was very impressed with the sound. I'm not an audiophile by any means, but I've got a load of earbuds, a load of headphones. We've tested a lot on this channel in recent months. These sound very good for £40 with the discount codes linked in the description down below, and with the extra discount they're offering on Amazon at the moment. They sound incredible for the money. Really impressed. Overall, active noise cancellation, transparency mode, they've got game mode, there's a very good battery life on here, charges by USB-C, very, very light. You're barely going to know these are in your pocket. If you want to use them as sort of your second set of earbuds, these are a brilliant option. I can fully recommend them. Very impressed with these earbuds. Extremely cheap, extremely good quality, and they sound fantastic, and that's all you can really ask for something of this price. So that's it for this video. I hope it helped. If you're after a set of cheap earbuds, a second set of earbuds that you're not worried about losing, then these might be a great option. Check out the discount, like I said, in the description down below. Only valid till the end of March, so be quick if you do want to grab one of these. And that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Take it easy. Bye.